Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, please do down below. Today we are going to be doing a PR unboxing video from a couple of different companies. The first company we are going to be doing a PR unboxing from is LYLCOSMETICS. I will put her down below. And Love Your Looks Cosmetics. Something I love about her company is she's small owned and all of her products are organic and just amazing. I've already tried some of them and I just absolutely love them. So I got started off with a few things. We're going to start with one of the things I really love, and it is the Love Your Lip oil. And it's a lip treatment. It is infused with hemp oil, avocado oil, peppermint, and cinnamon to leave a hydrating and a plump look to your lips. I'm gonna apply a little bit just because I love it and I don't have anything on my lips right now, so. And it smells so good. And then another thing that she sent me was the watermelon margarita mini glossy balm. And this is not just used for a lip gloss, it's also used to repair dry or cracked lips, which I really love, because why not have nice glossy lips with the help of repairing them if they're cracked. And they smell really good. Like, I cannot explain how good they smell, and it's not sticky at all like most lip glosses are. And it leaves like a perfect shine. And then another thing she sent me was one of her glimmer gels, and I am absolutely in love with these glimmer gels. I cannot wait to experiment with these. I'm gonna do like a little swatch for you guys, but that's what it looks like. And oh my gosh. And this is in the color Treasure. You guys can already see like my lips are plumping a little bit. I actually really love the way they look with this stuff. I love her products, and I am so excited to be working with her and helping build myself as a makeup artist, as well as helping her build her brand. Thank you so much, and I am so excited to be working with you. Another PR package that I'm going to be opening is from Tatalashes. This is a PR package I actually won from them, and oh my gosh, you guys, the excitement is real. So this is the Faux Mink Lash Book from Tatalashes, of course. Look how beautiful. I will also put her down below. And in this lash book it comes with Goddess, Angel, Eva, Ella, and Adira. And you guys, look how beautiful these lashes are. Like, I just cannot get over how beautiful Tatalashes, her lashes are. It's just, and they're such good quality. You can also use them like I think 25 times if you do take care of them. This is another lash book, and it was a customizable lash book too, and it comes with OX Sarah's, Saraya, and those are actually a collab with Sarah Molina, and then Genesis and Atara. I will show you guys them separately just so that you guys could see them because it's a big book. And this one is OX Sarah. And I love how like wispy they look, and oh my gosh. This one is Saraya. This next one is Atara. This one is like really full and wispy and fluffy and beautiful. And this next one is Genesis. I would say Genesis, Saraya, and OX Sarah all have like a good similarity to them. But they have like their own style. I'm going to be opening up these next three. They're still packaged together. And this one is Leah. And I love like the saying, it says, "You are altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you." This is in style Leah. Look how beautiful that lash is, guys. Oh my goodness. This next one is style Keturah. I love these boxes too. They protect your lashes, which I love. So this is style Keturah. And the next one is style Grace. I have been wanting to get style Grace. So I'm actually so excited that she sent this one. Look how beautiful. And if you guys are wondering, I am actually wearing Tata lashes in the style Jezebel. And these ones are like really, really full and fluffy. And I just love the dramatic look that it gives your eyes. Let me go ahead and put those back. I'm just so excited to be getting all of these things. That is it for my PR unboxing today, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I will also post both of the companies' ads down below. Go check them out, look at their products, and do some shopping if you like them. Bye.